Hi everyone. In this session, we'll try to understand how to make an interaction between a Sahi script and my Java. Question arises, why I should make my Sahi script to speak with Java? Why is that? So why? Because Java happens to be one of the most powerful programming languages, and there are so many facilities in Java wherein other programming languages don't have. Say for example, I want a proper date format and your Java easily gives it. That is why it becomes very important for us, that is a person who is writing the Sahi script, to speak with Java. Now question arises, how to make a contact with Java with the help of Sahi script. Let us explore. So for that, let me show it to you with the help of my Sahi controller. Let me get my Sahi controller. Here we go. So this is my Sahi controller, and here I want to print hello world in Java. If I have to print hello world in Java, you have to tell one statement there, that is system.out.println, and within double quotes I want to print hello world there, and this is how I will do it. So I'll put an exclamatory mark there. I'll close this double quotes, close this bracket and put a semicolon. So this is a statement you will tell it in Java to execute or to display the hello world. But if I have to run this, your Sahi will not understand what is the system, what is this out, what is this print. It will not understand. Sahi will understand when you will give fully qualified name. Question arises, what is the meaning of fully qualified name? You have to be specifically mentioning that this system where it is present in. Where it is present in. Watch it. So this system, it is present inside one package, and the name of the package is Java.lang. Inside this package, the system is present. Now, if you tell it in this way, now your Sahi will understand that what is the meaning of this statement. Really? What's this? If I run this, now it is evaluating, and you can notice there you're getting null. And if you think that no, Sahi is unable to interact with Java, you are wrong. Why? Because you think that, oh, you're getting the output as null. Actually speaking, you will not get output in Sahi controller, but if you have to see the output, you have to go to the console there, and you can notice you have the hello world there. Means now you made an interaction with Sahi and Java. Fantastic. So now we have to convert all of this into a script now. How to do it? Let us see. Let me go to my editor. So this is my editor wherein I can type my Sahi script. Let me create my new script. So for that, I will create a script, and now let me type a script. What is that? I want to interact with Java. I have to tell a Java statement here. So as I told you, you have to write a fully qualified name. How to do it? Watch it. So I will tell java.lang. The same statement I will tell system.out.println, and I want to print hello world there. So I will tell it as hello world in this fashion. I will close this, I will close this bracket and put a semicolon. Means inside my Sahi, we have a Java code. Now I have to run this. Before you run it, you have to save it. So let me give the name as Java code, and this is how I will do it. So this is my Java code. I will save it. Very good. So this is my program, and let me execute this with the help of Sahi controller. Let me go to my Sahi controller now. This is my Sahi controller. So I have to go to playback, because using playback only I should execute it. So let me see where is my code now. So the name of the code you should tell. So the name of the code is Java code. Awesome. This is my script. I will select it, and after that I will tell play. When you do that, you can notice in my console you have hello world again. So like this, you can write a Sahi script wherein Sahi script will start interacting with Java. Or in other words, I can tell that your Sahi is speaking with Java now. Not only this, whatever the statement I have written there, I can put it in a function also in my script. How is that? Watch it. Let me go to my editor. So 100%, whatever the statement I'm telling, you can put it inside the function also. How can I do it? So first, let me select it in this way. I've selected it. Awesome. So after selecting it, there's one option known as create function. I will click on it. You have to give a function name. Let me give a function name as calling Java. That is the name. What name you want, you can give. And is asking for the parameter also. If you want a parameter, you can give. If you don't want, you don't give. But I want to give a parameter. And that parameter, I want to give it as a name. That is the parameter name. And I will just still continue. And you can notice there, whatever the statement I have given previously, that statement, you have put it inside the function that way. And that function is taking one parameter, and that parameter is name. Now, if this function should work, you have to call that function, and that is what I'm doing. And to this function, I'm sending an argument known as hello world. This argument is reaching the function, and that is the same thing you are printing there. Will this work? Let us see with the help of my controller. So this is my controller. Let me choose my file. This is my file. Awesome. So if I play this, you can notice in my console again, you have the hello world. So like this, you can make an interaction between Sahi Script and Java. So till now, we understood how to make my Sahi Script interact with Java. So we call it as calling Java from Sahi. How to do it? Let us dive deeper and try to understand in a much better way. So for that, I'm having two codes there. At one side, I'm having Java code, and another side, I'm having my Sahi code. You have created a function known as load properties. You can notice there in my Sahi also, you have a load properties. But only difference is, in my Java, if you look, you have an access modifier known as public, but in my script, there is no access modifier. So my function is taking two parameters in my Java code. Look at Sahi, you have the same two parameters. Look at my Java code there. You have a data type for those parameters. Look at my Sahi. You don't have any data types for those parameters. Not only that, if you look at the next line, wherein you are creating the object of properties in my Java code, and you are collecting it in a variable which is of type properties. Look at my Sahi. You have created the object of properties, but you know that Sahi will not understand what is that properties. You have to tell it a fully qualified name. Means what? This properties, where it is exactly present in. Where it is exactly present in, it is present inside java.util. That you should mention it. And you should collect it. I've collected in Java also. In Sahi also I've collected it. But if you look at my Java code, you have told what type that props is. But if you look at my Sahi code, you haven't told what type it is. In my Sahi, we don't have any type for a variable. Like this, if you proceed further, you are creating the object in my Java, that is new file input stream. But look at my Sahi. File input stream object you are creating, but you have to give a fully qualified name there. File input stream is present inside an IO package. You should tell java.io dot, then you should give the name, and you have to collect it. This is how it goes on. In the same way, if you proceed further, if remains the same. After that, else, syntactically, if you make some small changes, what I have told, your Sahi will start interacting with Java very easily like a cakewalk. Now you got that how Sahi should interact with Java, or in other words, how you can put a fully fledged Java code into my Sahi. So with this, you will be having a lot of questions running in your mind that what is the application of our script, that is Sahi, calling my Java? What is the real-time application? Let us explore. The real-time application, I want to explain this with the help of one example. What is that? Usually, your Sahi is not that much powerful to open the PDF and start reading the PDF. It is not having that power. Who is having that power? Java is having that power. Means now, my Sahi script should interact with Java and Java should read that PDF. And how to do it? You have to write a Sahi script for it. And that is what I'm showing behind. You can notice this is the script what I have written. Behind my screen there is a script, and this Sahi script is interacting with my Java to open the PDF files, and it is reading the files for you. And this is one real-time application how you can literally code a Sahi script to contact with Java so that Java can open the PDF files and read it for you.